Hi everyone, welcome back to ExoTech. I'm your instructor, DevNull, and you're watching our series Web Page Creation with AI, a hands-on approach. This is the third video in our series. In the previous videos, we've explored various AI tools to enhance our web development process. WebSim AI is an innovative tool that uses artificial intelligence to simulate user interactions and optimize the design of web pages. It helps us create user-friendly and responsive layouts without extensive manual testing. It not only helps to create web pages, it can also make games and mobile apps.
First, let's navigate to the WebSim AI website and sign in. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. It's free and straightforward. Click on Continue.
There are many projects that people have created before.
Select AI model of your choice. I'll select default. But we will add our query here and it will create a web page in seconds. Look how awesome it is, just created in seconds with completely no code. It is a single page landing page. You can explore more projects here.
Let's check this random button over here.
While looking amazing to D-game. Let's create our own game. Enter your query here. Our game is ready using AI. Let's make some changes to it. You can also download the code. Let's create something amazing. interesting this thing is. Let's explore some more templates. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to ExoTech for more content like this.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.